I'm making this video because I want to put it out in the future. I don't know how long it's going to take for me to reach this goal. And by the way, the goal is for me to reach 100,000 subscribers. So right now on my channel, I've got, I don't know if you can see that right there. I've got, if you can focus, no, I've got like 30,000 subscribers at the time of recording this video. And the date right now, if I can just show you this, is, I don't know if you can see that. The date is the 18th of July. 18th of July, I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, 18th of July 2022. Now the reason for this video is because my goal, and you probably can tell from the screensaver on my phone, my goal is to get to 100,000 subscribers. Okay, so here's this picture that I edited. Okay, it's of a silver play button. So as I said, I got 30,000 subscribers, 30,400 subscribers at the time of recording this video. And I believe I'm gonna get to 100,000 subscribers. And I wanna go through what I plan on doing so that when I release this video in the future, it's not gonna be a case of me already there and trying to tell you how I got there. It's gonna be a case of me telling you what I'm planning on doing to get there. All right, so one of the things that I'm doing is using the law of attraction. Now, the way that I'm using it is that every night I go to sleep, I'm imagining myself right before falling asleep, the feelings of accomplishing 100,000 subscribers. Now, I'm not trying to get 100,000 subscribers just for my own selfish ego reasons. It's mainly because I want to inspire 100,000 people. I want to accomplish that goal of knowing that I was able to make videos about how to make money online, about how to be your best self, and to reach 100,000 people. That's just my personal goal. Another thing that I'm planning on doing to accomplish this is to work hard. You know, right now, July 2022, for this whole year, I've released a daily video, one video every single day without missing one day. And I'm gonna go as long as possible. I'm gonna try and release as many videos every day as possible without stopping. And for me to accomplish that, it's gonna require hard work. It's gonna require me to have a healthy mind, a healthy body. It's gonna require me to focus on providing value that's helping people. Once you realize that we're all connected and we're all one, when you put good out there into the world and you try and think about someone else rather than yourself, that's when good things will now come back to you. I'm focused on providing the best quality content that's going to help people on their entrepreneurial journey. So that's what I'm planning on doing to get into 100,000 subscribers. And most importantly, I'm just believing in myself. I'm believing in God. I'm believing in the universe. I'm believing in myself and my actions. Every step that I take, even if I put a video out, it gets less views than what I wanted, I'm believing that everything is working accordingly for me to reach the goal of getting to 100,000 subscribers. And to be very honest with you, I'm hoping that I accomplish this goal by the end of the year. Within 2022, I'm hoping that I can accomplish 100,000 subscribers. If not, then that's just the way it had to be. But I'm going to continuously keep putting in the work, continuously keep visualizing, and I know I'm gonna accomplish this goal. And hopefully after watching this video, you're gonna go away and know that you can accomplish anything you want, whether that's to start a business, whether that's to start an e-commerce business or a YouTube channel, whatever you wanna do in your life. I'm hoping that this video is gonna inspire you. All right, guys, so it's been about 6 months since the last clip that you just watched, and look what just arrived in the post. So I'm going to unbox this in today's video, but before I do that, I just want to say thank you so much for all of your support. Whether you've liked one of my videos, you've commented, whether you've shared one of my videos, whether you subscribe to the channel, all of your support, whether big or small, means the world to me. And that's the reason why I wanted to make this video today, is because I don't feel like I would have been able to get this if it wasn't for you guys. Because it's one thing for me to sit here and release videos every single day, but it's another thing when you guys show your appreciation. And what we're doing here is building a community. So without you guys, I would have never been able to get to this point. And of course, my consistency, my hard work, showing up for you guys every single day also goes a long way. And this is one of the key things that you guys need to remember on your journey. You need to make sure that you are putting in the work for whatever goal you're trying to accomplish. And as I said in the clip from 6 months ago, it doesn't even need to be a YouTube channel. Whether you're trying to get a new job, you're trying to get promoted, you're trying to start an e-commerce business, you're trying to start an affiliate marketing business, it all comes down to making sure that you're showing up every single day and you're putting in hard work plus smart work consistently over a long period of time. If you're able to remember this every single day and you apply it to your own journey, before you know it, you're going to be living the life of your dreams. All right, so let's get right into it. And as I'm doing it, I'm going to give you guys some tips as to how you can be successful with a YouTube channel if that's what you're trying to do, because it wasn't too long ago that so many people told me that I wouldn't get to 500 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers, 2,000 subscribers, let alone 10,000 subscribers or 100,000 subscribers. So I want to give you guys some tips so that you can apply it to your own life in any shape or form, whatever you're trying to do. All right, so as you guys can see, it comes in this beautiful black box. I'm just gonna take off this black thing over here. All right, so they send this letter from the CEO of YouTube, Susan herself. So I'm not going to read through the entire letter because I'm sure that you probably watched a video similar to this where the YouTuber reads line by line the entire thing. So I'm just going to read a couple lines which says, do you remember your first subscriber, your first 100 subscribers, or your first 1,000 subscribers? Chances are you do, and we know that you will definitely remember when you got to 100,000 subscribers. So do I remember my first subscriber? I think I do. I think it was probably my mum. And I remember the day that I got to 100 subscribers because I made a Snapchat on that day. I might put it on the screen right now. Guys, I want to say thank you for 100 subscribers. Really appreciate it. I know it's not a lot, but if you give thanks for the small things, God will bless you with the bigger things. And I also remember when I got to 1,000 subscribers as well, because I put in so much work. All of these different milestones meant the world to me because every day I've been working hard to build up this YouTube channel, build up a community, and share all the knowledge that I've learned over the years. So every single time that I got a new subscriber, I always remembered it. It also says here that your fans may have found you while searching on YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came across your channel, fans stayed and their numbers increased because of your unique voice and the excitement of being part of a growing community that you established. So this goes back to what I was talking about earlier in terms of me being able to share content, put videos out there, and we're essentially building a community of like-minded people because we're able to discuss things in the comments down below. This is definitely one of the reasons why I do what I do. But anyway, I'm not going to read this whole letter. I'm probably going to read it later on. So let's continue with the unboxing. All right, so next thing that I see underneath the letter is the thing that I've been trying to manifest for the past couple years now. All right, so let's bring it out of this box. Listen, if you got a dream that you're trying to chase, I know I've said this a million times by now, but if you got a dream and it seems like it's not possible for you to get it, just keep working hard every single day. Even though I've been trying to manifest this for 2 years now, part of me felt like it was definitely going to happen, but there was always this small voice that tried to tell me that it wasn't going to happen. But if you believe in God, you keep praying, you keep working hard, you keep taking inspired action, you believe in yourself, before you know it, you're going to accomplish something that you never thought was possible. So again, guys, thank you so much for all of your support over these past few months, over the years, whether you subscribed yesterday, whether you was one of my first 1,000 subscribers, all of your support means the world to me. Thank you so much. And again, this is just the beginning because I've got so many plans for this channel. I'm probably going to get to 200k by the end of the year, maybe 500k next year, who knows, but I'm going to continue pumping out content that's going to help you guys on your journey when it comes to building an online business. But thank you so much once again. We're going to get back to the regular videos from tomorrow. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.